Hey gorgeous girls. So I am gonna teach you a little trick. If you've got hooded eyes, or if you've got, like me, one-sided of like a folded lid for the eyeliner. When I was younger, I was really good at eyeliners, so I used to do this quite a bit. So let me show you. So they always say if you're not good with liquid liners, always go in with a brush, angle brush, or a brush that looks like this, and a black eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm using the black truffle in there. So the shape that you want to make is like this. So it's a rhombus, but what you're going to do first is draw the first triangle. So I'll show you on this side. So you're going to draw the first triangle. You're going to do the base like that, okay? Then one end, as you can see, like that, and then another end. So you're going to get a triangle that looks like this. Then what you do is you have to basically make another triangle, but the base is actually going to be this bit. So what you do is like that. That's one end, and then the other end. So you get this rhombus. Now you just fill both triangles in. So just colour it in, literally like that. Now this is the rough shape that you get. Now to make the blunt tip a bit more sharp, go on this side of the triangle and just there. And then go to this side of the triangle and pull up. See how sharp that wing is? And now it's connecting the wing to the rest of your eye. So this is the shape you have, and see that semicircle? You keep that there, but you just drag it down because you don't want that semicircle to be lost. And the reason why you need that is because when you're looking straight up, it isn't lost when you are looking straight ahead. So you just connect it like so. See, my lid is still hanging, it's like a fold, and if you were heavy lidded, you could actually still see your wing. I really love this method because it gives you a little bit of like a guideline to go on with the two triangles. So that's how you do it. You could do the same with the liquid eyeliner as well. Draw the two triangles like this. So firstly, you draw the first triangle. So literally base there, two tips there, and then connect another triangle there. Fill it in, keep the semicircle, but then go down there like that. And you're done. And look at how gorgeous this wing is. So let me know if you try it and if it works for you.